Myself Rabin Yadav from Dual Valley School. Dear student of class 10th, I want to focus on the power sharing chapter 1. And what is power sharing? Power sharing is the base of democratic system. Under the power sharing, all the religious people, all the communities, they involve in the politics and they obtain the opportunity for casting votes and contesting election. And under the power sharing, there are three levels of the government: central government, state government, and central government is formed by the MPs and state government is formed by the MLAs, and local government based on the municipality. And the other point is the organs of the government. The first, legislature; second, executive; and third, judiciary. Legislature form the government and make laws and make the policy for the nation development, and the executives, they are appointed by the government organization and they remain at their post till the 60 years. They maintain an order. And the judiciary is the autonomous body, and judiciary keep an eye upon laws, activity of the government, and judiciary works on the three level: Supreme Court, High Court, and District Court. Supreme Court is the courts of the court, and the final decision of Supreme Court is not challenged in any court. And High Court works on the state level, and the District Court works on the district level. And so under the power sharing, the democracy applies, and power sharing is based on the distribution of powers on the three levels: central, state, and local. And people, they obtain opportunity for casting votes for contesting election. Under the power sharing, I want to focus about the Belgium. Belgium is a European country. Its capital is Brussels, and in Belgium, the ethnic composition is based on the three religious communities: Dutch, French, and German. And on the base of the ethnic composition, there was opposing of the government for applying the democracy, for providing the rights of three communities. And so Belgian government solved the problem, and Constitution of Belgium amended 4 times, and so it was given more privileges to all communities, and Belgium became the developed country and successful democratic country. And I want to focus on the problem of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is the island and neighboring country of India, and in Sri Lanka there is ethnic composition based on Hindu, Islam, Christian, and Buddhist. But there is a majority of the Singhals, and they form the government. And the Tamil groups, they were out of rule. And when they demanded rights for casting votes for contesting election, involvement in the formation of government, but the Singhal they did not give the political rights to the Tamils, and so it was fight for a long time, and many people died, and there was disturbances in Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan government faced many challenges, many problems, and many political leaders and many government officers killed by the militants. And so Belgium government followed the power sharing, and when any country followed the power sharing, this is chance for development, and our country followed the power sharing. Under the power sharing, the any country which follows the democratic rules develop in all areas: agriculture, industry, education, and any other scientific development. And so under the power sharing, the people they obtain the opportunity for casting votes and for contesting election. And so power sharing has the two power division. Number first, the horizontal distribution of power. Under the horizontal distribution of power, there is the three organs of the government: executive, legislative, and judiciary. And the vertical division of power focus on the level of the government: central government, state government, and local government. And so power sharing is based on the democratic systems, and so there is a good relation between the power sharing and democracy, and power sharing is possible when any country becomes the democratic. I want to say about the monarchy rules. In the monarchy system, power sharing is not possible, because in the monarchy rule there is no election and no constitution, no fundamental rights, and people they are not free to contest election and to cast their votes. And so under the power sharing, all the people they can reside any parts of the country, and they can obtain government jobs in any department. And so in the power sharing there is possible to development of nation, and so it is important for the power sharing. Any country should be democratic and follow the democratic rules. And so power sharing is important for the democratic country. Thank you.